how to order gelato in Italian. Hi everyone and welcome back to Italiano Chiaro. Today you will learn how to order gelato in Italian using the polite form. Let's go! When you walk into a gelateria, you can say salve, hello, buongiorno, good morning, buonasera, good evening. The person behind the counter may ask you politely, quanti gusti desidera? How many flavors would you like? And you can answer politely, ne vorrei due, per favore. I would like 2, please. Ne vorrei 3, per favore. I would like 3, please. The person behind the counter might ask you, preferisce il cono o la coppetta? Do you prefer a cone or a cup? You can reply politely, vorrei un cono, per favore. I would like a cone, please. Vorrei una coppetta, per favore. I would like a cup, please. Now it's time to choose your favorite flavors. Here are 4 examples. Cioccolato e pistacchio, per favore. Chocolate and pistachio, please. Fragola e limone, per favore. Strawberry and lemon, please. Stracciatella e nocciola, per favore. Stracciatella and hazelnut, please. Mango e yogurt, per favore. Mango and yogurt, please. And then the price. Sono 3 euro. It's 3 euros. You can say politely, ecco a lei. Here you go. Grazie e arrivederci. Thank you and goodbye. Now you can order gelato in Italian politely and confidently. Write your favorite flavors in the comments, in Italian of course. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell to keep learning with Italiano Chiaro. Alla prossima!